In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Gmail minimal and distraction-free, simple inbox. We'll turn the busy default interface into a calm, single-focus workspace. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in. First, let's clear the sidebars that compete for your attention. Click the gear icon to open Settings, then choose See All Settings and go to the Chat and Meet section. Set Chat to Off and Meet to Hide. This removes entire panels you don't need when you're just processing email, and you can always bring them back later if your workflow changes. Next, collapse the right side panel that shows Calendar, Keep, and Tasks. Look for the small arrow at the bottom right corner of Gmail and click it to tuck that panel away. With that gone, the message list gets more room. Now, tidy your labels so only the essentials are visible. Scroll to the bottom of the left sidebar, click More, then Manage Labels. For system labels you rarely touch, like snoozed, scheduled, or spam, set them to hide or show if unread. The idea is simple. If you don't need to see it every day, let it stay out of sight until it actually matters. Let's simplify the layout of the inbox itself. In Settings, under See All Settings, open the Inbox tab. Under Categories, uncheck everything except Primary. This merges all mail into a single list so you're not context switching across tabs. Open the Quick Settings panel from the gear icon. Under Density, choose Compact to see more messages at once, or Comfortable if you prefer breathing room. Pick what helps you scan faster without strain. In the same panel, find Reading Pane and select Right of Inbox. This way you can triage messages quickly without hopping back and forth between the list and a separate view. To reduce mental load, go to Settings, General, and find Snippets. Choose No Snippets so you only see subjects, not the first lines of body text. Subjects are usually enough to decide your next action. Still in General, under Desktop Notifications, choose Mail Notifications Off or Important Mail Notifications On. Fewer alerts means fewer derailments. Finally, automate cleanup. Use filters to automatically label and archive low-priority senders like newsletters so they skip your inbox and remain searchable under their label. That's it. Your Gmail is now lean, readable, and focused. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.